In this video, I will show you how to disable one-click threading in MT4. So easy and simple way. Click on Options, and here we can see the one-click threading is selected. So unselect it. So now one-click threading is disabled. You have to click double time to make order or close an order like this one. So you need to double click. One click it will not affect, and once you turn on one click threading, accept, OK, and click just one time. So you can close any order in just one click like this. And also you can make an order in just one click. So this is the option for one click threading. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.